Okay, now solving this question number 6 up to question number 5 I have solved over in the previous Zoom class. Now we are starting with question number 6. So out of the total 620 parents who guide for the admission of the child in a school, 130 belong to the EWS category. So many information is being given and every information will not be available with the question. So you have to find out the information, the data which is not available. So first of all we will start tabulating it, because if we will only wait what is to write, we will not get the answer. Okay? So start tabulating it, whatever is required that will be get by subtracting on the heading. So first of all, number of, I am putting the heading, number of applicants. Okay? For by parents of a school, whatever you can write. Okay? So here we are taking one category EWS, means economically weaker section, and the other one is the general category of the parents. General category, here we can write category, and here it is being that three types of classes are there as it is being given by this question. First is the service class, second is the self-employed class, and the other one is a business class. So in the last we can take the total, because the total it becomes easy because many times what happen, the total information is given, the two are given, the remaining we have to calculate. So it's better to take the total in every question, grand total also, and if the total of these are given, then also. Okay, but here no male female are there, so you can easily write service, self-employed and the business class. So see this, out of the total of 620 parents are the total parents. Okay, means to make the total of this, all the parents are 620 parents are there, and who got to the admission which of a child, so 130 belong to the EWS, 130 belong to the EWS, so the remaining 0, 9 and 490 will be for the general category. Easily we can calculate it because we are having the total. Next, in the general category, 40 parents are of service class. This is the general category. In this, 40 parents are of service class. Okay, 40 is the service class, 180 are self-employed, 180 are self-employed, and the remaining is the business class. So 181 plus 40, this is 220, subtracting 220 from 490, we get 270 as the business class. So we can add it also, 8 and 4, 12, 12 and 7, 19, 2 and 1, 3 and 1, 4, total is this 490. Okay. Next see this. In the EWS category, means economically weaker section, 94 parents belong to the service class. 94 belong to the service class. If total business applicants are 300, now they have somehow molded the question, changed the question. Total business class is 300. Okay, so 300 is total business, and 270 are for the general category, and total is this 300. So we can calculate the remaining. 30 is for the business class for the economically weaker section, and the remaining we can easily get self-employed. 94 plus 130 comes out as 124. Subtracting 124 from 130, we get 6 as the self-employed. So easily we can calculate it. Okay. Now come to question number 7. Here we can note it down easily. Okay. As I am writing, please note it down. Now starting with the question number 7. Question number 7. Present the following information in a suitable tabular form, supplying the figures not directly given. Figures are not directly given. So this is the information about the union workers. Mostly in the factories or the people work. Some of them are the members of the trade union, means they fight for the rights, and some are the non-members of the trade union. So like this way we have to find out. So you can give the heading, and this is not a hard and fast rule that whatever the heading I am writing, that too you have to write the same. Okay, you can change, but it should be relevant to the topic that we are writing. So this is the number of applicants, number of workers. In the bracket you can write union and the non-union, or and non-union. Okay. So now starting. Here as the workers are there, year wise it is given, and also the union workers grand total. Here, okay. So this is the, we are taking the column for the trade union and this is the non-trade union. You write it full in your notebooks as the space is less. Okay. So here we have to make 3 columns: male, female, total. Then again male, female, total. Okay. So now first of all, this is the year 2015. Here we can also take total. Okay, as we will see if need or not. See, in 2015, out of 3,200 union workers, so union workers, trade union workers are total 3,200, out of which 2,700 are men. 2,700 are men, so means remaining 500 are women. Easily we can do this. Next, the number of non-union workers was 700. Non-union workers was 700, out of which 350 were women. 350 were women. So the remaining 350 will be the men. And the total is also at 3,200 plus 700, that is 3,900 for the total workers in 2015, including union and the non-union, non-trade union. Next, in 2016, please write as I am writing over here, note it down. In 2016, out of the total 5,000 workers, total workers were 5,000 in the year 16, of which 3,400 were the members of the trade union. Means the remaining 1,600, 5,000 minus 3,400, 1,600 are the non-trade union. Okay. Now the next, the number of women workers employed was 650. Total women workers was 650, including trade and non-trade, out of which 400 did not belong to any trade union. Out of 500, 400 did not belong to any, means it is a non-trade union, and 100 are for the trade union. Sorry, when we go to the next one, the number of women workers are 650, out of which 500 did not belong to union. This is 500. And out of which 650 was the total, so 150 are for the trade union. So the remaining 3,250 are for the trade union males, and here remaining 1,100 are the non-trade union male workers. Okay, like this way we will solve the whole question and we have got the answer like this. Okay, like this we have to present. Important questions are these. Now coming to the next question, question number 8. Again present the following information in a suitable tabular form. Same it is, trade union, non-trade union. Again we will solve it. Okay. Now same, I am taking the criteria because here the figures were more, so I have grabbed it. Again this is the year. Grand total, trade union, non-trade union. You have to write the full, here the space is less. Again, male, female, total. Here also, 3 division. Male, female, total. Okay. Now, let's see this question number 8. In the year 2015, out of total 1,250 workers in a factory, 775 were members of a trade union. Sorry, this is question number 8. In 2015, the number of trade union was 3,450. 2015, we have taken the question number 8. Trade union was 3,450, out of which 3,200 were men. Okay. So this remaining will be 250 were females. The number of non-union workers was 760, out of which 330 were women. Okay. So this is 400 and 0, 6 and 5, 11, 7 and 4, 11 and 1, 12, 3 and 1, 4. Next, in the year 2016, total 4,000 workers were there. Total 4,000 workers. And 3,300 were the members of the trade union. Means remaining 700 will be the non-trade union. The number of women workers employed was 500, out of which 400 did not belong to any trade union. Means 400 same it is, 100 this comes out as, this is 3,200 and this is 300. So like this way we will solve question number 8 also. रुक जाओगे. Now come to question number 9 again. Here also the same trade union, non-trade union. This also you have to solve it. Here same questions are there, 7, 8, 9. Grand total. Trade union, non-trade union, male, female, total, male, female, total. So in the year 2015, 1250 workers were in a factory, total 1250, 775 were trade union. The number of women workers employed was 125, out of which 70 did not belong to any trade union. 70. Here the remaining 1250 minus 775. 445 and 445 minus 70, 375. So 70 did not belong to any trade union. So the remaining out of 125 minus 70, 55 were for this, and 775 minus 55, this comes out as 720. So in the year 2016, number of women workers was 1390, out of which 825 were men. So remaining 1390 minus 825 will be the women. 565. And the number of non-union workers was 270, out of which 110 were women. So this is 160 were men. Okay. So 1390 plus 270, this is also you have to do 9 7 16, 1660. Like this way you will solve it.